entire claim follows the same journey. Starts with the patient visits, then EHR, the data is recorded into the system, and then and moving to the clearinghouse, and then finally to the payer. So that raw claim file that's arriving at the payer is where most analytics pipeline break down, and that's exactly where my pipeline begins. So let's understand what sort of a problems we are trying to address with this project. So basically, three problems jotted down here. One is administrative inconsistency, referential integrity, and the metric gap. So I have built a Snowflake production pipeline to solve these three issues specifically. Let's see the architecture. So this is a four-layer architecture. Raw loads data as it is, and the layer one that's basically called bronze layer. Then we have data quality layer that runs six automated checks. Staging is where your dirty data is fixed. Then we have the analytics layer that delivers a clear schema. Uh, Finally, we have automated everything via Snowflake task, fires every morning with zero manual intervention. Let's see how the project looks like. So this is the project, and let's see the project code. Okay. So this data quality layer, which is live in Snowflake, is basically our gatekeeper. So if I want to see the summary table for that, here is the summary that you can see. It is passed on for referential integrity and the uniqueness. Other issues like null diagnosis code, negative unallowed amounts, missing service date, it's somewhere it's failed. And the number of records also flagged over here. Uh, and that 0.5% is quarantined immediately. So basically, this gives us an audit trail that we can show, CMS or our internal auditors. That's their audience. Now let's move to the project. To the dashboard. Here's the executive dashboard that we built. It's live. Uh, Claims overview 19,800. Valid claims 9.1 million total paid. 12% is the average denial rate basically. Unique members and then the unique providers. Data health, data quality health score is 99.76%, which is basically exceeding the industry benchmark of 95%. So that's actually good. The data quality checks we just discussed some time back, so we are going to skip it. Okay, remediation action steps. So this is basically a view where we track every defect that's found during ingestion. uh, for issues like missing diagnosis code here, it's mentioned the kind of resolution that's been provided to an issue like this. So that it basically this log provides a clear audit trail for our resolution, ensuring that every action, from correcting the negative amounts to flagging members for outreach, is documented and transparent. Moving on to the charts, the claim analytics, it says Medicare Advantage drove the highest spend at 3.6 million. Professional claims over here by claim type dominate volume at 8,000, exactly what you would expect in a Medicare population. Then we have the denial rate and PMPM cost. Denial rate, basically J 18.9, is the code for pneumonia, is a clinical outlier at 14%. PMPM by plan type, all four plans clustering around $18,000 per member per month. So basically, this pipeline bridges the gap between raw data and strategic clarity. Because every metric is audited and governed, the business can make decisions with total confidence in the data integrity. I'm excited to bring the same focus on technical execution and business first analysis to every project I take on. Thank you so much for watching.